No one.
That was 90, so you did it.
Check the clothes out.
Couldn't tell. I love how they're okay with us just walking around the campus.
Nature at its best.
There's a huge spider web into your face.
Oh shit, nigga.
Oh shit, there is. I would have screamed if I ran. Rico, grab a stick and hit that.
Alright.
Come here, Spidey. I will bite you.
Hello, Spider. Why you bit me, Spider? Was it funny now, Spider?
Yesenia, I think that was a whole bunch of spiders.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna die. No, we're gonna get venom.
Now throw the stick away.
Make sure there's no more. This is gonna be my stick, so like I can like knock the shit out of it.
At least I'm more observant than you are, so you didn't walk into it.
Yeah.
You know how badly she would have been crying?
I was
Yeah.
pissed on myself.
Mr. Spider's pissed at you.
Mr. Spider. Why you have to bite me, Mr. Spider? Is it funny now?
What is that? It looks like a pig.
Why don't we go the other way? There's like nothing here.
There's something
True.
over that rainbow.
Over the rainbow.
Let's go over there and that's over the rainbow. I think it's a parking
That's
lot.
where she works.
It's a parking lot.
Ooh, okay then.
Back to nature.
I'm gonna laugh if Mr. Spider hits you.
My shorts are dirty.
Alright. I'm drama queen.
So I don't fall. It's my
Mr. Spider! Are you just recording all of our nonsense?
Uh-huh.
No.
Hey, we got the three most important people.
What?
Photographer, speaker, video, or whatever you want to call yourself. Interviewer.
Look at the squirrels.
The squaws.
I'm gonna go grab
And watch, look at that skill, Yesenia.
them. Oh!
He's making you so jealous. Girl.
Those are the ones. Only if you had a peanut butter sandwich. No, I love you. Don't do this. Do you have a peanut butter sandwich?
Yeah.
Can I have a little piece to feed it
Alright.
to my squirrel? That squirrel loves me. FYI. He just doesn't know he loves me that much. What is the fuck is this?
The squirrel is gone, Yesenia.
It's mushrooms.
Stop touching the mushroom.
Ah,
Keep jerking.
oh my god.
I'm just gonna keep going before Yesenia gets herself killed.
You get myself killed.
She's gonna get herself killed. Whoa, she got a stick. No, she got that long ass stick.
Come on, let's go to the teepee house.
TP house.
No, not teepee house.
That's a girl who didn't want to go.
You know what? I'm gonna go in it today. I'm gonna go inside my house. Not time for us to.
She got that long ass stick though. That stick though.
Not no spiders today.
Spider!
Yeah, you're probably gonna whack me too, but alright.
You.
The TP house.
Why don't you go in the front, thick girl?
For a nature girl, you're not that much of interest.
What do you want me to do? We're trying to find something.
We're recording you, nature girl. Try to face out.
No.
I'm here to call to make sure you don't die. And he's recording your TV show.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a great series.
You see, this is my house. Okay.
How did you build your home?
With mud and sticks.
How's that working out?
What the fuck? It's going up. I'm so sorry. What the fuck? Going up pretty juicy. I just had to build a bridge over there.
She broke that stick.
Okay. Come here, Mike. I'm not dead. There's.
Rinse your feet off in the water, nature girl.
I gotta build my bridge first.
Alright.
Eat
Fair
all
enough.
the sticks. There's a worm. Don't kill. There's like so many fucking worms.
It's mud.
1, 2, 3, 4. Pick it up. Do you want one, Rico?
No,
It's mommy. Okay, look. Here, Rico. Here, it's a present for you. Take it. Don't kill it.
I won't.
He wants to kill nature girl.
No. Like,
The last thing we want is bad ratings.
bad ratings, a worm close to the screen.
There's enough to walk. We just need a little bit.
Alright. You walk across, nature girl.
Oh, oh.
There's a big one, so you can walk over now. This worm is like, oh.
Look, I found a big one.
If you hit me with that, I'm gonna knock your ass out. My toes are so dirty. Just rinse your water off when we get through.
Alright, we're good now. Now cross. No? Okay.
We gotta need more. You don't want to fuck here, my man. Look at there's bigger sticks.
Where do you sleep in your home? It's a
I
very
sleep-
nice home.
Sleep right there with my
And-
sticks, laying down comfortable with that. You see that stone right there? That's my pillow.
Okay.
I'm so hard-headed.
So, how long did it take you to build this home?
Took me about like 2 days. 1 day. You know, I just started building it today. Look how far I got. You know,
So, how much rain do you think it's gonna block?
you know, my bed blocks a lot over here. It's like the bathtub, so you know, I want a lot of rain over here.
Do you enjoy living near the water?
Yeah, you know, I can catch bugs, little fishes, little frogs.
Oh, alright. So show us more of your home, your wildlife. What do
Well, you see over my little river?
Mhm.
Well, over there I'm gonna build me, you know, a spa. I always wanted a spa. I got enough mud to make me a mud bath. You know, over there, it's gonna be, you know, I just gotta fix it up. I just need a lot more sticks. We're in the woods. I think I have enough sticks. We're making it in life. It's going pretty juicy.
Alright. Anywhere else in the woods you'd like to take us today?
Well, I'm gonna go over there to see what there is. You know, I got my 2 walking sticks so I don't fall. But my toes are smushed up, so like my toe hurts. You know, but you know, my toes are dirty. But there's water everywhere, so you know, it's gonna be okay.
Alright. Thank you for your time.
I'm in my spot. Well, I got good things.
Nature woman at her finest. Showing us the correct way to walk across the logs without getting
Need
wet.
walking stick.
Walking sticks.
Let
Hey.
me clean my toes 'cause they're dirty.
Stick your whole foot in there.
Oh.
I don't want the fish to eat my toe.
What is looking fish? Nature girl at her finest.
How you
You know, she just loves animals.
If you're the snake, I'm not gonna touch you.
Amazing.
Over there.
I bet it's another one of her creations. Probably not. Well, let's see how she's doing. How are you getting across there? How's it going?
And then,
We can go there next time. We can go there on Monday.
yeah,
Tried to play more sticks though. Take a picture, Rico.
I'm recording right now. Alright.
Trip back. Let's see how she's doing.
There's no fish.
No shit, Sherlock.
Don't say that word.
Nature Girl definitely knows about all the species
Mhm.
that live in this ecosystem of the stream. You gotta know this advanced knowledge, just like the difference between which berries are edible and which ones are poisonous.
You guys gotta find it out so I don't die.
I know which ones are for your next interview. You'll be good. You should leave these parts in it too. I suggest you wear shorts the next interview too.
Wait, I have to clean my toes.
She almost lost her stick.
Mommy, there's a snail.
Sweet.
You want it?
No.
It's fine. I don't want to touch it no more.
You see, Nature Girl really loves all of nature's
Yeah.
wonders.
Yeah.
I gotta clean my legs too.
So, this is where you bathe?
Yeah, but I don't bathe but naked 'cause I don't want no one to see me. You. You guys got a towel?
No.
No.
Why would we have one?
We're gonna tell next interview.
Yeah, the next one. For ya. Get a towel next time.
Do my toes look clean?
Yeah.
Very sparkly clean. Okay, Nature Girl. Her natural bathing state isn't that interesting. I know, all of you are looking forward to the bathing scene. Especially now that you've seen it, male viewers. And lesbian viewers.
Hey, what the
Hey, I cannot be any biased. There might be some girls that were looking forward to your bathing scene.
Ugh. I got a present for you, Rico.
A snail.
Yeah.
Oh,
Isn't she nice? She's always stinking.
she got me a worm.
Come here.
Now a snail.
Ah, my toe.
What happened?
I hate my toe. It hurts.
Oh, careful with your toe.
There's white cracks in here.
That's not crack.
I'll show you.
Oh, she lost her stick.
That's not crack, Yesenia.
What is it?
Mushrooms.